Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Today I have iPhone 16 Pro. I want to show you how it look like. Oh, it's very nice color. Open. Going to turn on and come with the cable. Just the cables only. Now the Apple logo is not coming with the phones. Before was Apple logo was coming, but now just coming with the Type-C cable. Is both side Type-C. Oh, it look nice. If you look, the edges, titanium edges, is very nice, and feeling is very nice. In the camera, there's 3 cameras. Camera result you can see in the video. In the last, I will show you. Make the little video. This is volume button, up and down, and this is for mute. You can just hold and the phone will be mute. Silent mode. And the touch is very nice. And this is camera button. This is the new in the iPhone 16. iPhone 15 don't have the camera button. Just you press the camera button and camera will be open, or you can zoom through this button as well. Yeah, you can and here is the SIM tray. You can put the new SIM. And one have an option for eSIM. You can add the eSIM. Just turn on your camera and scan the code, and your SIM will be ready. Edges is very nice. It's titanium, and this is Type-C port. As I hope you know about, from 15 is coming with the Type-C port. And this is MagSafe charger. You can start charging. Just connect with the phone and start charging your phone. And the grip is nice. It's not going down easily. this is case, same like as the color with the phone. This is MagSafe charging. You can charge MagSafe with this case. And this is for your camera. Just press and the camera will be turned on. And just you swipe your finger on the button, on this button, and start zoom. I hope guys this video will be helpful for you to look how's looking the iPhone 16 Pro. And after this you can see in the video in the last how's the camera result. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.